Good morning, everyone. This is me, Ali Raza, and you know that earning money on YouTube is actually one of the very hot topic right now, because it's I know it's end of the August 2022, and after the Corona epidemic, many people trying to started doing work from home, and they eventually started trying to understand the value of YouTube and how people are earning through it. And YouTube saw this huge increase in their traffic, and uh, they figured out people started figuring out that it can be a good source of income, and it can be a very good source of part-time income. So in this video I will be explaining about some of the finest ways through which you can earn money through YouTube. So all you have to do is you have to stay with me and let me make myself smaller. So here I'm going. My face is now a little smaller, and let's move on to my slides. Okay, so the first method is you can earn through Google Adsense. In case if you don't know, on my channel I got last month 4,000 hours completed, and that is actually the main requirement of earning through ads on your YouTube channel, and that you need to have 4,000 watch hours in last 12 months with 1,000 active subscribers, and you can make money through Google Ads on YouTube. Like you are going to be seen like people are going to see different ads on your YouTube channel, and that is how they are going to make money. I mean, you are going to make money. So monetization option will be available on your account once you reach 4,000 hours and 1,000 active subscribers in the last 12 months. You can then apply for monetization. For me, it took around 2 to 3 days, but I have heard people it takes too much time. For some people, I came to like 2 to 3 months. It is a maximum I have heard so far, but usually it takes less than a week to get your account approved for monetization. So ads can be shown. I mean, you can earn through by Google Ads on your YouTube videos. Let me show you an example. Maybe I'm able to show you. Let's say even if I open my own channel, and let's see. Maybe if I open this video, now you can see this is an ad. This is another ad.
This app
is a skippable ad.
Good morning, everyone.
This is a video, and I'm earning through these ads. There are also some ads on the screen as well. I mean, like there is a 468 by 60 unit kind of ad, and that all comes through YouTube ads. I mean Google Ads. You can earn through it. And my second method is earning through affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is actually a very popular method through which you can earn through YouTube. And let me show you my own video. So you can see how much I'm earning. There is a very famous tool which is known as SEM Rush. A review. I have written a review about it. Let's see. It's just on 1, 2, 3, 4. You can see this review. Okay. In this review,
doing competitive analysis is very important.
You can see that
you need to understand what your competitors are doing and how they are successful. If they are successful for a reason, you can be successful too in any industry.
Okay, you can see this ad over here, industry, but in affiliate marketing you can see these are the affiliate links, and I'm recommending people to buy from my link, and that is how I'm going to earn money through it.
And
so
as far as if the
you can
SEO is
see
concerned,
that whenever someone buys from my link,
what is
this link,
held,
I'm going to get paid a certain commission, and
if you want to
are willing to promote
online side with it.
So any product you want through affiliate marketing on YouTube, and if your audience actually follows you, and if you recommend a good product which actually benefits them, they will be happy to buy from your link, and that is how you get paid. And they get help because you explained that how this tool is going to be beneficial for them. You can also do comparisons. You can also educate, recommend, give shootouts. So affiliate marketing, I mean, there are multiple ways on which you can do affiliate marketing through YouTube, but I just showed you the example which I am doing. And my next is a sponsorship to earn with videos, because many YouTubers collaborate and sponsor other people videos, other people brands in their videos, and that is how they earn money. So I had an example of Ali Abdal. He's a blogger from UK, and I saw one of his videos. Let me see if I can see that video. Okay, probably this one or this one.
Hey friends, welcome back to Productivity.
Okay, in this video you can see that he is recommending the first 1000 people to use the link will get a 1 month free trial of Skillshare. Okay, in the middle of the video he also had a screenshot
the
of
ongoing series.
Skillshare. Let me see if I can see that. Yeah. Okay, so you can see in the middle of the video he is recommending Skillshare. You can see the Skillshare logo, the Skillshare website. So that is actually a video sponsorship he is doing, and you can also do it like this way. There is no harm in doing that, and that is another way of earning money through YouTube channel. After this, my next strategy is about selling courses and training. You can also sell courses and training, which I plan myself to do later on. Although my channel is not yet old and I do not have bigger audience, but which I'm trying to do, but only in case if you guys keep on supporting me by sharing my videos and subscribing to my channel, because I have seen that many people are not subscribing to my channel who regularly watches my videos. So I request them to subscribe my channel as well. So if you can sell courses or training, you can also earn money through it. So Ali Abdal is also doing the same, but let me take an example of Isaac here. He's a very famous Google Ads expert. Okay, now you can see in his video, Google Ads tutorial video, what he is doing is he is actually giving a link of his course. You can see this, and people can buy from his course, and that is how he's earning. He already have around 1,99,000 students, and imagine if you just multiply by 10, it's going to be 2 million earning just through selling a course. So that is another good way through which you can earn, and it is just only one course. He is selling many courses. So I just took the example of one course. Once you become a well-known instructor, you can sell other courses, other items as well, other products as well. Okay, he has 4 courses, so you can see the amount of earning he is doing. I mean, let's be positive and let's appreciate his income, and don't try to become jealous. Rather follow and inspire from him to learn and make your own income source. My next strategy is generating. You can also generate traffic to your website and blog through YouTube videos, and that can be another way through which you can earn later on. For instance, in this video, this is my own video which I made it regarding how to make money on ClickBank. Okay, in this video what I'm doing is, in description I'm redirecting people to my own website and I'm earning later on. That can be another way through which you can earn money online, and that is you can generate traffic to your blog or your website, and from that website you earn later on by doing affiliate marketing, ads, banners, or whatever your source for the blog income is. And apart from this, my next strategy is to build membership and earn from it. Again, it's a very interesting and great way through which you can earn money. So what I have to do is you have to go here and you must be seeing that there is a purchases and membership option, and I can enable that for my subscribers. So people, if people are interested in my paid content, they can watch it for a specific amount of income, price per month, and they can subscribe to my channel paid membership, where I will be creating exclusive videos for that. But right now, because I'm building my channel and my audience is actually not much high, with around 2500 subscribers, 2300 subscribers, which are not at the time of creating this video, which is actually not a huge quantity. So which is why right now this option is not feasible for me. But if you have more than 10,000 subscribers and if you have regular followers, I recommend to do that method, and that will increase your income, and people will be able to see a premium content of yours. And since value has a value, only if its value is being valued, so if you want to get your content valued, start giving premium content to the people, so people can understand and realize how great your content is and how they can learn from your content. And that is like give value, have value. Sharing is caring. So if you share something good, and people will appreciate you back. So these are actually the few of the finest methods through which you can make money through YouTube. Earning money through YouTube is actually not difficult at all. All you need is a consistency to start your own online journey. Because in case if you're like me, who create a video and forgets, you're not going to be anywhere. So in case if you want a consistent income from YouTube, you need to be very consistent. Consistency is important in any part, in any way of business, but here in YouTube it is actually much more important, because YouTube algorithm is just like that. You have to keep on creating new content, so that YouTube actually shows you in the newsfeed algorithms. So which method of earning from YouTube you like the most, or in case if you know any other method which I haven't discussed in my video, you are more than welcome to tell that in the comment section, because I will be looking forward to your comments. Come on guys, at least subscribe my channel. I'm producing good content, and I will be looking forward for your comment on my video, so that I can know that you guys are actually seeing my videos, or I am actually creating something good for you guys. So we'll be waiting for your feedback. Thank you for watching my video. Thanks and bye bye.